What does a $9 billion penthouse look like? It's more than just a home, it's a floating empire, a private universe in the sky reserved for someone whose wealth can move nations. This isn't luxury. This is something far beyond it, where imagination and technology merge to create a living experience no one else on Earth can touch. Hovering above the skyline of a private artificial island near Dubai, this sky palace spans over 100,000 square feet, occupying the entire top levels of the world's tallest residential structure. Wrapped entirely in bulletproof sapphire crystal glass, it offers 360-degree views of the Persian Gulf, the desert, and the glittering city lights below. Inside, you won't find walls, you'll find movable partitions crafted from programmable glass that change opacity with a touch. Walk on heated Italian marble floors, watch waterfalls flow along corridors, and enter a great room with a ceiling that mimics the stars in real time. The penthouse features 12 royal suites, each styled after different global empires: Roman, Ottoman, Egyptian, Japanese. There are 25 bathrooms, each with custom scents released through hidden vents, and gold-infused soaking tubs with skyline views. A vertical garden climbs up the inner walls, oxygenating the air in real time. There's a personal hospital wing, helipad access to 3 continents, and a cryochamber spa. The pool, suspended entirely in the air, with a glass floor overlooking the city 130 stories below. Dive in, and you're swimming through clouds. A digital butler runs the estate using AI that speaks 15 languages. There's a private art gallery featuring billion-dollar original works, a secret vault behind a biometric waterfall wall, and a car elevator that lifts exotic vehicles straight into a sky garage. Yes, your Bugatti has its own apartment. This $9 billion penthouse isn't just a status symbol. It's a monument to what's possible when money is no object, and vision knows no bounds. You don't just